Anderson as one of the all-star players. Kaya naman makikita natin, asahan natin na itong mga players na ito papakitang gilas talaga sa mga manonood. Hindi lamang po dito sa loob ng Planeta Astrodome, kundi kayo rin po na nandiyan dyan sa iba't ibang sulok ng Pilipinas na nararanasan at papanood itong ating proceedings via the magic of television sa pamamagitan po ng Vintage Sports at VTV on IBC. Sa kasalukuyan mga kaibigan ay pinakikilala na kayo ng starting unit para sa mga veterano. Pangungunahan po ni Dindo Pumaren, ni Bong Ravena, Ronnie Locsin, Alvin Patrimonio at Jerry Codinera. Nakita nyo naman, malakas ka agad bagay. Wala naman, gaya na sinabi natin, wala naman mahina rito dahil all-star nga ito. Ito naman si Kenneth Durantes, ang nahirang pong MVP last year nung siya rin po ay naglaro sa RSJ to start off the introductions para sa rookies, sophomores, and juniors. Sunod na tinawag si Paul David at si Marlo Aquino. Nick Velasco ang pang-apat na player na pinakilala at running it off, Jeffrey Cariaso for the rookies, sophomores, and juniors.
Well, last year's MVP, which is also very important, at siguro kung kayo mga fans nakapapalo sa television, you might have your own choices. For the MVP was Kenneth Durandes, and there has been no player who has ever won the MVP twice in a row, no?
Oo nga.
Dati, nagkaroon na rin yan si Alvin Teng, si Boy Cabajo, naging MVP na rin ng All-Star. So, tulad ng sinasabi natin, sometimes it really takes to play a game well with new partners. It might not be that easy, pero importante kung may talent ka sa player and you have teammanship, you can do that. Si Paul David, hindi niya alam saan siya pupunta. Oo.
Minsan magkakalituhan niya pagka nakita mo yung kakampi mo dati, iba na ang uniforme.
Indo coming and picking up the ball, no?
Oo. Alright, mga kaibigan, marahil po ay naririnig niyo sa background kung gaano ka-excited ang mga taong nandito ngayon sa loob, and we know it's so different from where you are. I think Cariaso, Al David, binubulabog ni Dindo Pumaren. His pass almost stolen. Stolen by Val David. It's a pass to Marlo Aquino. Walang kalaban-laban. At bubulusan po ang rookie, sophomores, and juniors 6-0.
Mabilis talaga ang kamay nito si Val David. Naagawan na and no look pass to Marlo Aquino. Siguro sabi ni Sonny Jowersi, kahit nasa kalaban kayo, mga bata ko yan.
Oo. Kung minsan, itong mga fans dito, hindi mo malaman kung kanino dahil pinapalakpakan nila yung mga individual players. Dahil meron ng mga loyalty yan to whatever team. Pero iba rin ang pagkakataon na kung halimbawa, maka-Gordons naman, you can cheer for both teams. Ano? Dahil merong taga-Gordons dito sa rookies, sophomores and juniors, meron din dito sa mga veterans. Bong Ravena! Whoa! Drilling shot underneath. Lamang na tatlo ang RSJ. Jerry Codinera. Yes.
Bagong kasal daw yan.
Oo nga, nadinig ko kanina.
Tinatanong rin nga sa akin yan kanina, nakapunta ko sa isang kasal.
Durandes. Playing above the hoop. Kenneth Durandes with a slam.
But in Velasco, you have good defensive players, no?
Oh.
And that was a great dunk shot there by Kenneth Durandes. Cariaso is also a pretty steady defender. Si Kenneth Durandes lang ang medyo mahinang dumipensa, and that's why yung kanyang tao has scored 5 points already. Si Bong Ravena. But he has countered with 6 points of his own.
Ito pa isang tira ni Kenneth Durandes. All pumped up.
Magical tricks here.
At walang special privileges ang mga veterans yan. Jeffrey Cariaso almost stabbed Marlo Aquino. Ball away against Codinera. Marlo Aquino. At narito ngayon si Jeffrey Cariaso off the Val David. Back to Cariaso. Underneath. Aba, namamayagpag itong mga RSJ trying to open up a big lead early in the game. 7 puntos na po kalamangan ng RSJ over the veteran.
Sabi sa yung starting five nito, it's very, very solid. Si Val David at saka si Marlo Aquino. Kenneth Durandes just flows in very easily as a small forward player.
Ito ka magandang recognition mga baman, si Pumaren at si Patrimonio, pero hindi nga mga lamang pumasok ang tira. Cariaso to the front court, binigay kay Nick Velasco. Velasco goes for it. Acrobatic shot, wala. Oh, hey!
Andiyan na naman si follow-up.
Oh.
Kenneth Durandes, 10 points in the ball game. 12 na lamang dito ng RSJ.
19-7 is the count. 7 minutes and 18 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Jerry Codinera napas kay Dindo Pumaren. Balik ulit kay Codinera against Aquino. Pal ni Kenneth Durandes. Sabi sa inyo, all pumped up and ready to play. Kenneth Durande.
That's what you call help defense, no? Medyo kalusot, pero nandiyan pala si Marlo, kaya nakatulong sa help sa weak side si Kenneth.
Oy, nagkawindang-windang ang opensa nitong mga veterano. Pati sa inbound pa lamang, nanakawan na sila, naagawan na kagad.
Hinihilo sila ni Valdebid sa paheli-heli.
Oo. Hindi mo malaman kung papasa o titira o paano ba ang gagawin. And it's now a 14-point spread by the RSJ. Lolo Locsin finally sneaks one in
Over his two teammates who practice.
Aldabit ko rin, nag-orchestrated defense o ng offensa para sa RSJ. Pero masabi niya yata pinilit yun. And Albert Patrimonio ka rin over to Lolo Locsin 1-1 against the Nick Velasco. Locsin, naghahanap ng pasyo. And he gets away. Inaabot din ng malas itong mga veterano eh.
Yes, a couple of layups already.
Oo. Kenneth Durandes and the RSJ.
Ayos daw muna, ayos.
Oo.
Listen natin, with 12 seconds on their shot clock.
David. Kay Cat and Mouse. Cariaso, binalik-balik ka David. Balik ka naman kay Cariaso. Reverse layup.
Akala mo, magkapatid ito si David at saka si Jeffrey in the backcourt. They just recognize each other's movements very quickly.
Nagkaintindihan kagad itong si David at saka si Jeffrey Cariaso. They have been combining for the RSJ. And samantala si Noli Locsin naman using his power inside.
6 straight points for Noli Locsin.
Usre.
Well, titignan natin if the RSJ can continue to keep up the pace with guys like David, Marlo Aquino sitting down, and Cariaso sitting down on the bench. Ayun na si Johnny, talaga malit rin niya.
Pasa. Nakalusot si Jason Webb at na-bounce pass niya kay Dennis Espino na nag-aabang sa ilalim. Okay. Dito po na 1997 All-Star Game.
Nice pass.
Oh yes, Mike Musra kinaliwa pa from Andy Sigo.
Well, I never seen Siegel pass that way in a regular game, but in the All-Star finally, that was a halos touch, no-look pass. Back to the inbounder.
Less than a minute to go dito sa ating unang yugto na labanang ito ng rookie sophomores and juniors and the veterans. Look away pass na Nelson Saitono. Abarero sa to give it back to Vince Tizon. Galing sa labas. Nelson Saitono. Hindi pumasok yung dalawang free throw. Yung 3-point shot ay baon na baon.
Right on the money. Nice fake there by Mustre and a very quick drive. So, 4 straight points para kay Mustre, no?
Napapasok lamang niya si Mike Mustre.
Siguro sa loob-loob ni Mustre, when will I ever be in an All-Star again? Napili ako ni Norman, dati kong coach. Napili si Mike Mustre and he comes up with 2 quick baskets.
Okay, gusto naman may naman sa coach ko na he's not working there in down. Oops, hindi yata alam ni Ben Season na tapos na ang oras, ubus na ang oras. Actually, wala na, di ba? Tapos na ang first quarter, mga kaibigan. And it's a 7-point lead by the RSJ. Nakitigil naman si Kenneth Durandes. Sabi nga natin, namamayani. 7 out of 8 from the floor. Coming back to the second quarter. Ay in-announce mo natin pala sa yung announcer na si Chuck na meron po mga gift certificates na nakadikit doon sa ilalim ng ilang mga upuan dito. Nakagulo. Sa paghahanap. Uy, Bunel Baligid.
Ako rin, naghanap eh.
At Jason Leveling Block.
Karel Meneses coming into the ball game to replace Pat Ramonio, who played the whole first quarter and a couple more.
Oo, nakita rin niyo mga kaibigan si Coach Norman Black. Siya naman ang nagko-coach ngayon sa RSJ at Vince Heath.
No illegal defenses called in the first quarter. Another steal.
Vince Heath on this time, scooting into the front court. And getting set for the 3-point shot. Neto na sa Isono ang tinawagan po ng foul. Nakita po ninyo yung 3-point shot nailed by Vince Heath.
Tying the ball game at 38 all. So a 7-0 run para sa veterano, and Mustre gets in 6 points of the ball game.
RSJ as Johnny Abarientos continues to miss. At narito naman ngayon ang atake ng RSJ. Jason Webb with a look-away pass to Dennis Espino.
Yan kakampi niya yan.
Yes,
Kaya medyo. Santa Lucia's 3 representations in the RSJ. The other one is Chris Jackson, is still on the bench.
Lamang na naman ng 4 ang RSJ at 42-38. We are in the second minute of the second quarter. Vince Hizon, lamang kay Mike Mustre. Kinamag kay Vergel Meneses. Meneses bibigyan ng pick ni Nelson Saitono. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Meneses will have to let go. Oh, pasok! Vergel Meneses.
And in this case, 4th turnover.
Bonel Balik with the ball down on the floor. Nakita po si Vince Hizon. Assist by Bonel Balik. And the 7th point of Vince Hizon.
Well, again, Scipio makes a bad pass. Tuloy muli ni Johnny Abarientos.
Pero Meneses yan, sumaksak. Whoa! That basket will count in a foul. Sumakit naman yun. Pumusok naman yan ang mga veterano. And this is the first time, I believe, na nagkaroon sila ng matakatong matikman ng kalamangan. Sa 44 to 4 and play minutes by Vergel Meneses.
Most of the shots now a one-on-one play for the aerial boy. So he completes the three-point play.
Wala na, kung Albera late, other than Fiesta ron. I-post na doon, Meneses lang. Down. Sabi ka, kamag-anak lang niya si Vergel. Kahit sa Bulacan yan, he can face yung kanilang pagkakapag-anak. Ito ang pagkakatakas, meron po.
Si Marcial.
Wala yan. Taga Batangas yan. Kahit pass by Vergel Meneses, hindi po inasahan niya sunod sa ito rin. Good pass to Elmer Lago coming in from Paul David.
Well, you can see the difference of the RSG team pag si Val David ang quarterback. Maganda kanyang assisting. He has full control of the plays.
Nice shot. Sa good season, libre na naman ng bahagya. And now, Jojo Lim also missing it. Dennis Epino can't hang on to the rebound. Down to the session, binigay ngayon kay Ben Season. Sinasalubog ka ni Elmer Lago. Binigay ngayon kay Vergel Meneses. Libre ng tira. Off the glass, Vergel Meneses.
Back to a 2-point lead dito para sa veterano. 7:25 left in the second quarter. High-scoring type of ball game. Best shooters in the land. Of course, there are some who have not been picked, but some of the best shooters are in this ball game.
Elmer Lago getting really aggressive on offense. He contributes his 4th point for the RSJ. At tabla na naman tayo at 49 all 7 minutes to go dito sa ating second quarter.
Pick and roll play para kay Balingit and Meneses. Wide open. Masyado si Meneses dito. Siguro sa loob-loob niya. Vision.
Vergel nakawala. Not quite. Nandun si Elmer Lago to spoil the party. Val David. Scoring ito ng fast court. Ito na, Val David. Reverse layup.
Ganda ng laro ni Val David.
Oo.
Not only is he scoring, he's really controlled the ball game well para sa RSG.
And we're tied again at 51. 6 minutes and 6 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Johnny Abarientos over Val David. Oh, he finally gets one in.
A little bit. Ako naman magbibigay ng konting din. Bend your knees a little bit. You got that line. Maybe you can make the shot from the free throw line.
At tabayan po ninyo yan sa ating halftime break as Vergel Meneses.
Ano yata?
Okay, sila natin. Yes, Johnny Abarientos. Ayan naman, nakita niyo kung tinatawag na aerial voyager yan, mga kaibigan. Mabuting parte naman si Vince Season with a fake. Medyo masigit yung pinasukan ni Vince Season doon. Val David sees Elmer Lago up ahead. Yes, easy two para kay Elmer Lago. At lamang naman, o rather, kung nakahabol lang kung bahagya itong RSJ, natapyas ang kalamangan ng veterano to only 2 points at 55-53. Veterans on the attack. Johnny Abarientos labang kay Val David. Tumabas si Vince Season pero kay Meneses binigay ni Johnny at nakita naman ni Vergel si Bonel Balingit. What great play here by the veterans.
Yes, and you know, these two have been teammates for quite a while. They're pretty good friends even outside the court. So, nagkakaintindihan din sila sa laro. 4-point lead.
Para sa veterano po yan, 57. Ang RSJ naman 53. We got 4:23 remaining in the second quarter. Dennis Espino with a power move pero napalakas ang tira. Got it on the second try.
And this is a good opportunity for Dennis Espino. Sayang,
Sayang, pula-pula ng konti. Ito naman mga kaibigan, tuloy-tuloy po ang laro ng rookie sophomores and juniors versus the veterans. Dito pumarang with a
nice assist.
save. Pero naging assist papunta doon sa kalaban. Rodiguera para sa rebound. Dito pumarang. Whoops! Libre si Jerry on a bounce pass from Dito.
Well, not much semblance of a set play. Puro tako.
With a 3-point shot and misses. Nick Velasco para sa rebound for the RSJ. Apat na punto sa kalamangan ng veteran 63-59. Jeffrey Carriazo to Marlo. Again, reverse layup na palpal ni Jerry Cordillera. But it stays with the RSJ. Last touch by Bong Ravena.
Well, he went in very deep and Jerry Cordillera wasn't going to give him an easy reverse layup. Inabot sa ere. 15 seconds on the shot clock para sa RSJ who are down by 4 right now.
Alalahanin po natin, lumuwang ng as many as 14 points itong RSJ. Itong player na ito, si Kenneth Durendes, ang lamayang bag dun sa stretch na yun. Jeffrey Carriazo misses the shot. Jerry Cordillera forward to Dito Pumaran again. 3-on-1. Alley-oop to Bong Ravena. Ravena saves it at the baseline. Nolly looks in, gets to the from Dito Pumaran.
Well, numbers did it for the veterans. Hindi na bumalik yung mga really many have left.
Well, walang putol nga ang mga handog nating entertainment para sa ating mga fans and supporters, mga kaibigan ng PBA, hindi lamang dito sa loob ng Planeta Astrodome, kundi ngayon din sa mga nanonood sa kanilang mga TV sets. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ed Pixon po ito, kasama si Andy Howe para sa Vintage Sports at para sa PBA. Ito si Dindo Pumaren after miss by Jerry Cordillera. Pumaren, connect.
Walang ganda ng dampot ng bola ni Dindo. And we have Kenneth Rendez running. That's going to be a foul. He's going to have a three-point play coming up. Yan ang gusto ni Kenneth, the open court type of basketball. Very good finisher off the fast break.
20 puntos na ginagawa nito si Kenneth Rendez. At ang ating oras na nalalabi dito sa ating third quarter, 8 minutes and 24 seconds. Dalawa na lang ang lamang ng veterans. Kenneth Rendez makes it just a 1-point lead na ng RSJ, 68-67. 8 minutes and 9 seconds remaining here in the third quarter. Dindo Pumaren calling out play number 1 para sa mga veterano. Lumabas si Alvin Patrimonio, binabati ni Nick Velasco. Patrimonio. Nilawasan kay Dindo Pumaren. 3-point shot by Dindo is good.
Well, yan ang na-improve ni Dindo Pumaren.
Valdavid losing control. At napawi ni Bong Ravena. Bong Ravena tuloy-tuloy sa front court. Binigay kay Dindo Pumaren. Pumaren nakawala. Binigay kay Alvin. Bounce pass to Jerry. Cordillera score.
Again, the four Pure Foods veterans all in there teaming up.
Apat na puntos sa kalamangan ng veterans. Valdavid cuts it down to only 2 at 72-70.
7 minutes left dito sa ating third quarter. It's been a long afternoon and evening.
Oh, actually a long weekend, ano, dahil nag-upisa ito nung Biyernes, yung sa All-Star Fans Day. Ito na si Valdavid. Dindo Pumaren with a good coverage. Valdavid gets it over to Nick Velasco. Yes!
Kabla na tayo sa 72 all. 6.5 minutes dito sa ating third quarter of play. Puro action na nakikita.
Oh. Alvin Patrimonio gets the pass at the baseline. Nasa ilalim. Covered by 3 players from the RSJ. Bong Ravena cross court down to Dindo Pumaren from almost the same spot. Yes! 2 screens given up to the captain. Pero wala sa balansa yung tira yun. Valdavid tuloy-tuloy. Layup by Valdavid. 75-74, 1-point lead by the veterans. Alvin Patrimonio, left-handed layup.
Para sa akin yan, sa free throw shooting.
Free throw shooting. Whoops, Kenneth Rendez with the steal for the RSJ. Valdavid has been a workhorse para dito sa kanyang koponan sa taong ito. Biglang pinakawalan si Valdavid. Sabi ni Valdavid, ayaw niyo akong batayan. Sige.
Yeah, the defense completely laid off. That's a 16-footer. He loves that kind of shot. Saka here, very bulok. Hindi man siya challenge ng kanyang defensive player.
At natong na play ng RSJ. Medyo nag-go to Balingit at napalpal sa Marlo. Bonel. Several things at inagaw na lang sa kanya ni Kenneth Rendez. But Dindo Pumaren gets it back. Left-handed layup. There was Marlo Aquino. And Bonel Balingit finally gets his points. That is the 6th point for Bonel Balingit in the game.
Balik na naman sa isa lamang ng veterano.
81-80 in the count. Jeffrey Carriazo makes use of a pick by Marlo Aquino. So battle na po ito ngayon. Palitan ng kalamangan between the RSJ and the veterans. Delta na tayo from top of the key. 3-point shot hindi pumasok. Alvin Patrimonio para sa rebound. Couple of fakes. Binigay ulit kay Bonel Balingit.
Still a power underneath the basket.
Valdavid leading a 3-on-2. Yes.
He has so much energy. No? Yung importante para sa isang point guard. Both point guards actually are full of energy. Si Jason Webb off the bench pa. Si Johnny Abarientos naman sa kabila. Kaya maganda panoorin itong mga maliliit na player natin.
84-83 in favor of the RSJ, or rookie sophomores and juniors. Alvin Patrimonio pulling up for a jump shot. Yes.
Practice his free throw shooting at halftime.
85-84, veterans up by 1. Nick Velasco gets away from that. So that's Toro hits the slam. Oh, nagbago ng isip against Marlo Aquino. There's a pitch by Marlo to Jeffrey Carriazo. Yes!
Double statistics para
Samantala, narito ngayon si Alvin Patrimonio. Nakatingin kay Vergel Meneses against Mike Mustre. Baseline drive to Vergel. Oh, balance shot! Season off to Vergel Meneses. Meneses nakakita ng buwang. Binigay kay Chris Burado. Balik ulit kay Vergel. Vergel tries to dish it off. Nelson Asaitono recovers it at the corner. Tapos, Chris Bolado is there. Reverse layup by Chris Bolado.
well, medyo pagod na rin si Marlo Aquino. Alam mo, medyo parating hirap na si Marlo bumaba sa opensa nila na parating late.
Oo. Well, dun sa halftime break, hindi rin nakapagpahinga yan dahil sumali rin siya dun sa mga happenings natin dun sa Jollibee 10 million dream shot. Dennis Espino scores on a slam. Last 5 seconds of the third quarter. Vince Hizon. Hindi naman niya yata alam niya. Ayun. Laman niya pero hindi pumasok ang tira. At pagkatapos po ng third quarter, lamang pa rin ang RSJ ng tatlo. 92-89. Final verdict niya pag nasa three quarter. Kinayan.
Huli ka na dyan.
Masaya naman si Jerry.
I certainly hope so. Hindi naman ako magpapakasal kung hindi ko gusto yung magpapakasal ako.
Sa babae ko yung pinakasalan niya. Bisaya amang gihapon si Jerry. 94-89. Jumper by Vergel Meneses. Jason Webb off to Dennis Espino. Hand off to Seagull.
Magandang passing yun. Four guys touched the ball before the shot was completed.
Smooth na smooth yung pasahan na yun. Vergel naman, hindi makatira. Nalabas kay Johnny Abarientos. Back to Vergel Meneses. Season coming out, but Meneses decides to get inside.
Mismatch yun dahil about 3 or 4 inches advantage in height para kay Vergel. Tignan natin si Sigel. Patay si Sigel. Ba?
Chris Burado yata ang tinawagan ng blocking foul.
A big basket here for Andy Sigel. A possible 3-point play.
Also, yung medyo sumakit yung kanyang midsection. Dan, ayun, gumagalaw si Chris Burado trying to get in the way.
Pretty good call there. Red basket.
Red basket ni Andy Sigel. But he completes the 3-point play and gives the RSJ a 6-point advantage at 99-93. Pero po po tayong 10 minutes and 46 seconds na nalalabi. Dito po sa ating fourth and final period. Johnny Abarientos, the dish off to Nelson Asaitono. Asaitono na bitawan ng bola na po ni Mike Mustre. Inagaw na naman ni Johnny Abarientos. Asaitono nakita si Bulado.
A high percentage shot ni Chris Bolado. Right or left hand, he can dunk.
99-95, 4-point lead para sa RSJ. Dennis Espino. Off the glass.
Ganda rin yung nalaro ng dalawang backup big men, Espino and Sigel, as Marlo gets his necessary rest.
Kailangan yun. Abarientos naman sa ilalim. He's on. Also all pumped up pero natapik ni Elmer Lago bola Mike Mustre. Down the middle. Binigay kay Elmer Lago. Hand off to Jason Webb.
Ganda ng teamwork ng RSJ. It's being displayed here in the second half as they fought back from a deficit and are now on top by 6.
9 minutes and 19 seconds remaining in the 1997 All-Star game. Jerry Cordillera. Vince Hizon with a jumper. Johnny Abarientos na nakakuha ng offensive rebound. Binigay kay Hizon sa ilalim. Yes, it is counted with a foul. So 3-point play opportunity dito para sa mga veterano. Courtesy of Vince Hizon. But credit the heads-up play ni Johnny Abarientos to spot Vince Hizon inside.
So kung titignan mo yung season,
ito, 3-point play ni Vince Hizon and bumaba na naman ang kalamangan ng RSJ to only 3 points at 103-100. 9 minutes to go. Mike Mustre. Sayang. Ito pa. May isa ka pa. Pero tinamaan naman sa mukha si Mike Mustre. As Jerry Cordillera blocked the shot. Tatawagan ng foul si Jerry.
Well, dalawang offensive rebound doon. Yung sumabit sa mukha ni Mike Mosre. Pero ang sumabit siguro, tingin ko si Johnny. Dito sa, kasi dito sa side na ito, humahawak ng mukha si Mike Mosre. Ayun. Yun ang
nakakalmot pala.
Sa pool, actually, yung gaganda block kay Jerry, kaya nagulat si Jerry. Pero natamaan na ni Johnny Abariento
ng Philippine Basketball Association. Bilang pasasalamat sa inyong paglusuki. Sinanto pa kanina si Commissioner Jim Bernardino. So siyempre, ang moving spirit behind the Philippine Basketball Association. Vergel Meneses. Turn around, yes!
Share ng All-Star Game. Ganda sana nun.
Oo, medyo nabitin lang si Andy Siegel doon. Para Ben Quezon. Laying up. Quezon. Medyo matuloy si Tira. Chris Bolado binigay kay Johnny Abarientos. So, pagkakataon na naman ito ng veterans to take the lead. And it's Johnny giving it to them. Ang ganda naman ang ginawa niya ngayon.
The action in this ball game, no? Referring to Chris Jackson. As he Jason well, he's got his chair.
Vergel Meneses changes his mind. Chris Bolado. Short jumper by Chris. At tuwag-tuwa ang mga tao rito nung maipasok si Chris Bolado yung tirang yun. Elber Lago, libreng-libre for the three. Yes!
Abla na naman tayo. 108 all.
Oo. Napakahigpit po nitong labanang ito ng RSJ at ng veterans. Magmula nung umpisa. Bagamat there was a stretch there na parang bubulusok na ng gusto yung RSJ. Lumumang sila ng 14 pero nakahabol itong veterans. Nakalamang pa nga. At ngayon, lamang na naman sila ng dalawa. After that shot by Jericho Diniera, 110-108 in favor of the veterans. Elber Lago na libre na naman.
Two different kind of shots against Meneses.
Napulot ni Val David. Here's Vic Velasco. Velasco, nakita si Marlo Aquino. Good fake. Another fake.
Ganda tulong ni
Evangelista. On defense, Johnny Abarientos. Sumagot-sit naman, pero yung pasa niya natapik ni Val David. Val David, forward pass to Kenneth Durandes. Durandes fakes. Oh! Nice pass by Kenneth Durandes to Marlo Aquino. Out down to Johnny Abarientos. Johnny binibigyan ng screen ni Jericho Diniera. So Diniera will fire. Uy, si Nick Velasco nakatapik doon.
Well, obviously, it will go to Patrimonio on the floor. Si Locsin, however, is seated down, no?
Ayun, tinawag na ni Coach Jaworski. So binibigyan ng instructions si Lonnie Locsin. With 4 minutes and 21 seconds remaining, RSJ on top by 2, 114-112. Cardo si Vergel Meneses. Nakita si Ray Evangelista sa ilalim. Yes! Credit the assist to Vergel Meneses. Cariaso. Binigay kay Nick Velasco na parating. Sorry.
Nag-improve ang jump shot niya.
Oh.
Looking for a guy to pass to.
116-114. Labang ng dalawa ang RSJ. Jericho Diniera. Ray Evangelista humihingi ng pasa. Evangelista moving against Kenneth Durandes. Finds Jericho Diniera with 1 second in the shot clock. Tries to go for the jumper. Gets it back. Evangelista. Oh, fancy shot. Masyadong malalim. Ito si Val David. Shovel pass to Jeffrey Cariaso.
Double now for Val David. He also seconds this in the ball game.
The All-Star game as we go to the last 2 minutes of the game. Brought to you by PS Bank.
Ganda naman ang pagkagawa ng play na yun with 9 seconds. They were able to act the ball around. Nice play up for Evangelista plus a foul, so he has a chance for a 3-point play.
Oh, nakikita po ninyo rito yung action as Ray Evangelista scores underneath. 118 all na po tayo ngayon with 1:55 remaining. Ray Evangelista at the line. And he completes the 3-point play at lamang na isa ngayon ang veterans 119-118.
Game mo, kailangan mo may opensa rin sa ilalim. And a big player at that too.
Lalo against Jericho Diniera. Naghihingi pa ng foul kanina si Marlo. Dilabas bigla kay Kenneth Durandes who sails into two.
Again, coming up with a very crucial basket.
19. Bindo pumaran. Nakatingin ka na ni Locsin. Binabas niya si Locsin ni Cariaso. At the pass. Locsin. Ayun, ginamit na naman yung kanyang lapad ng katawan at bigat para po makasaksak lamang kay Cariaso. Cariaso against Locsin pa rin.
Balik ulit sila kay Marlo Aquino Cariaso. Gusto si Cariaso, pero may foul si Jerry. He tried to switch off. Inaabangan niya yung tira ni Cariaso pero hindi tumira kaya naiba ang kanyang depensa.
Pero tinangay yung dalawang kupunang yan.
Yan, katulad ni Cariaso at saka ni Durendes ng kalaban.
Oo. 1-all. And a 1-point lead now for Ice Alvin. Oo. Jerry Sestino nga nagbabantay sa kanya. Ray Evangelista goes to Jerry Cordillera. Cordillera off the glass. Medyo malakas. Oh! And Noli Locsin was there.
Well, talagang advantage ni Noli over Jeffrey Cariaso. Timeout ay tatawag ni Bal David.
35 seconds left. And this will be a full timeout. Yes, so Bal David will go to the line. Hindi nagulukuhan pa si Bal David at si Noli Locsin. Whoop.
750,000. Kanina.
Well, not this time. Oh. If only. Sabi siguro ni Bal David.
17 points. Yun, double-double nga yung sinasabi natin. 18 points, 13 assists. Magta-timeout ang veterano.
Noli Locsin tinagap ang bounce galing kay Ray Evangelista. Narito ngayon si Dindo Pumare. Pumare ang labang kay Bal David. They've got to attack. 7 seconds on the shot clock. You steal, yes, it's a steal by Bal David.
And this is going to probably be the best player of the game.
Oh, Bal David with a well-timed steal.
Meron pa.
Meron pa 2.7 seconds na nalalabis at nakita niyo na.
Kinakarga na.
Round na si Bal David. What a steal by Bal David. Ito, makikita niyo, tinyempohan niya si Dindo Pumaren. Ayun ang tapik, malinis talaga.
And that was the second time around, actually, partner. Diba? Kanina, muntik na rin niya nasundot at outside lang. And he had the easy. Tuloy ko na ko siya, hindi ko na ititira yan. Hindi-dribble ko na paikot, tapos lalaro.
Only 2 seconds remaining, labang sila ng isa nun. Yeah, but this time out, Boys and Juniors taking the 1997 All-Star game by 3 points over the veterans, 126 to 123. At dahil sandali lamang mga kaibigan ay magkakaroon na tayo ng interview with the most valuable player for the 1997 All-Star Game. At yan po ay mapapanood nyo sa ilang sandali lamang with our colleague Chino Trinidad.
Po ang pinakamainit na All-Star ngayon, isang star ang pinaka sabi nila maningning no? Dito yung maraming ningning. Si Bal David po ang ating All-Star MVP para sa 1997. Bal, itong laro mo dito, arang ordinaryo lang para sa'yo. Ganun ba kadali yung laban?
Oo, kasi para sa fans lang naman di ba? So, saka yung sabi ni Coach, enjoy the game. So, yun. Tulong-tulong kami.
Bal, kung titingnan natin pagpasok mo rito sa court, kung palakpakan lang ang sukatan ng pagkasikat na isang manlalaro, yung palakpak yata kay David ang pinakamalakas.
Siguro dahil sa Gordon, kasi maraming fans ng Gordon. So, yun. Saka marami akong kamag-anak
Marami kang pala.
Marami akong pala.
Bal, isang matindi rito. Nandiyan ka na, nakapasok ka na championship. Meron ka na kanina sa PBA. Meron ka na All-Star MVP. Yung championship pa, malapit na.
Hopefully, sa mga prayers nila, sana makakuha naman kami this year. O kaya this conference.
Okay, si Bal David po, ang ating pinaka maningning na tala ngayon. Gusto mo bumati? Pwede ka na, MVP ka naman
Mami ko, daddy ko, si Bambi, ate ko, si Berna, kuya ko, Benan ko, si Tay, si Malu. Hi, tsaka yung kamag-anak ko sa General Trias. Tsaka si Tita Lourdes, yan, yung Urbano family. So, hi sa inyo lahat. Si Mina, yung pinsa ko, at si Glenn. So, hi sa inyo lahat. Tsaka sa Niken. Yan, ito nagtatrabaho ate ko. Hi sa
Wala na naiwan, ha?
Wala na.
Ayun, hindi pa yung trophy mo. Kukunin mo na, takbo na doon. Sige, punta tayo doon sa taas ulit.
Okay, maraming salamat sa Chino. At ito na po mga kaibigan ang awarding ng trophies for the 1997 All-Star Games. At yan po, Commissioner June Bernardino awarding the trophy for the All-Star MVP. 20 points, 6 rebounds, 13 assists, 4 steals. One of them, the clincher. Sabi mo nga, Dr. Jeff.
Those are big numbers. No matter what kind of game that is, those are big numbers. Medyo maganda rin talaga linaro ni Kenneth Durendes at saka ni Marlo Aquino. Pero Bal David, really, every time nasa loob siya ng court, maganda linalaro ng kupunan nila.
Oo. At yan naman ang trofeo na nagpapakilala sa rookies, sophomores, and juniors as the 1997 All-Star Game winners. At nasabi nga natin kanina sa pag-uumpisa pa lamang, isa po ito sa pinakamasaya at pinakapanapanabik na All-Star Game na ating po napanood. At the satisfaction is all around. Wala po sa mga nag-organize hanggang doon sa kalit-litang mga fans na nag-enjoy sa gabi nito. Okay, babalik po kami mga kaibigan.